Hello. Today we've got an Abbas half euro in the vise, sent to me by Potti314 off YouTube and off the UK Lock Sport forum. This lock was pinned by Sebastian, son of Potti314. Now Potty's a very good picker, so let's see if any of his talent has brushed off on his son. Just a very light bit of tension, feeling for the high pin. And setting it, trying to be as precise as I possibly can be. And instantly it jumps into a nice false set. Always a good sign. Means you're doing something right. Where are we? There. Right, one at the back. That one I think, or maybe not. That's it. I seem to have got stuck here. There we go. Just pressing down on all the pins. Feeling for a little bit of counter rotation in the tension bar. That's a high one. Something just popped back up. That one. There's one right at the front there, which I don't think I set properly. But in trying to set it, I've just reset some others. That's better, we're back I think. There's a high one, nice bit of counter rotation on it. So there's spools or something inside for definite. Right, that's set properly this time. Is that one? Nope, there we go, there's the next one. Get my hand in the right position. And there we go. Picked. Great lock. Took a while to figure it out. Took a while to find find a pick that would fit nicely in the keyway, and I had to thin down the end of a tension tool in order to actually get hold of the core and control it. But excellent lock, great job Sebastian, glad to see Potty's legacy is in good hands. Thank you for watching.